Is there a more elegant way to add a value-sensitive unique together constraint in Django Model? Here is the problem. I have a model like this. Obviously, this model already has a unique together constraint for field user and book. And probably there will be some entries like this in the database. And I have one more constraint to add, which is each user can have at most one entry that the value of his _active field is 1 true. Currently I solve this problem by changing the model into this. Add a field key and customize the save method of this model. But the max_length cannot be greater than 255 in this approach, which is no need to worry in my case, but sometimes the key field may be very long. So, I would like to know if there is any more elegant approach to solve this kind of problem. Thanks.
Redefine the is_active to be as follows. The user IDs will be unique in the column, satisfying your desired constraint, and the many null values in the column won't violate the constraint, as discussed here.
In Django 2.2, currently released as Beta 1, you will be able to use unique constraint which in addition to the list of fields can be passed a condition. A Q object that specifies the condition you want the constraint to enforce. For example, unique constraint fields equals user, condition equals Q status equals draft ensures that each user only has one draft.
Based on Noor's answer, you can do this.
If you want to see more, please insert